THRODLE. One of my favorite muscle cars has always been the Plymouth Roadrunner. I happen to spot a lime green one here owned by
Tony Garcia.
Perfect. So what year is this Plymouth?
This is a 72 Roadrunner. It's a 400 four-speed car, original. It's a bench seat car. And originally it was red, but my wife loved this color, and for me to get to build it and everything else, we painted it this color.
But you didn't do the painting, but you did most of the other work.
I did everything else to it. I put the engine in, and I worked on everything on it, put it all back together, and
Right.
this is the way she came out.
Awesome. So now a lot of people like the 68 and they like the 70. Why did you go for the 72?
This one here, I found it on Craigslist for $2,500. It was crashed sitting under a tree in Santa Clarita, and I went out and I found it, and it had a 4-speed in it, so I bought it.
Okay, awesome. Well, thanks very much for spending the time to tell us a little bit about your Roadrunner.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.